How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading on Facebook. Well, if you open up Facebook and head over to Marketplace tab, if you don't get the tab here, you can tap on the hamburger icon here and you can see the Marketplace option, head to Marketplace. Either ways, once you're on the tab, if it is not loading or if you're having sudden issues, then first things first, you might want to check your internet connection. You want to make sure that your internet connection is secure and strong. If not, you might want to switch your network, or if everything else is loading and only your Facebook Marketplace is not loading, then it might be a simple glitch or a bug within the app. Now to fix that, you can first check the Play Store or App Store and check if your Facebook is updated to the latest version. Now even if your Facebook is updated, sometimes it might cause glitch. Now to remove any glitches or fix the bugs, you can scroll down notification bar, head into settings. Once you're on the settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option here that says apps. Once you find the apps option here, now you want to look in for Facebook either by scrolling or by searching. Once on Facebook, scroll down, head into stories. Under stories, you'll find clear cache. Now first, simply clear the cache and check if your error is fixed. Restart the app again or restart the device as well and open it up. If this doesn't fix the issue, then you can come back here and tap on clear data. However, this will log you out of your app and this will delete apps data, including files, settings, and accounts. So you want to make sure that you can access your account back again if you want to delete app data. So this must fix the issue. Hope this video helped. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below.